Hey guys and girls, are you wondering if mud flaps, splash guards are a good investment? Well, stick around. We're going to show you if they are or if they aren't. So before we get too far into the review on this video, I just want to say that today is -10 Celsius. Throughout the week, it's gone from -10 down to -15, plus the wind chill. This is a 2022 Mach-e. I also own a red 2022 Mach-e, all-wheel drive. And I also drive 60 kilometers, which I think is about 45 miles each way every single day to get to work. So we've really put in some work and some mileage on this, and as you can see, we've got quite a bit of snow. It snowed every single day this week, so we've really put in some kilometers or miles with this, so it gives us a good fair review. And also I'm going to be showing some reviews or some videos of before we had the mud flaps, just as a comparison to this. And it might be on the red car, it might be on the blue car, but regardless, it's going to show you what things look like before we had the mud flaps in, and then give you a good comparison to what it is and what it looks like after, and what the actual results are. So stay tuned. Apologize for not having my mic on right now. It's pretty cold, and just trying to do this without tripod setup and a professional setup. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. So again, we just got out of blizzard of 2022, and the Mach-e's fared pretty well. But we're hoping that putting on the mud flaps will make a bigger difference. You can see how much it's come up into the wheel wells. It's actually not too bad, but you can see it caked down in there. And that's what we're gonna try to avoid by installing mud flaps. So we'll see. So hopefully with the installation of the mud flaps slash splash guards, we're gonna cut down on a lot of this stuff. See how it gets all up in the door here? It's all up underneath, up into that track. See how it even gets right back in here? So hopefully with the installation, it's gonna really cut down on this. Good day, guys and girls. So this is a follow-up video to the installation video that we did on the AOSK or AOSK mud flaps, mud guards, whatever you want to call them. I call them mud flaps, but sometimes they're called splash guards. But regardless, I just wanted to give the update and show just how well they're actually doing. It's keeping a lot of snow out of that lower track of these doors, where it can really get in there and really build up. As you can see, as you get further back down along the door here, you're actually getting a little bit in here, but up near the front, you're hardly getting anything, which is a vast improvement from the originals without any kind of flaps in there. You see on the back, it's actually stopped it all, and it's not even building up on the bumper at all, which is fantastic, just fantastic. The longevity, I think everything's going to be okay. As you can see, you can kick them and there's no problem. Right now it's about -10 degrees Celsius, so if it'll hold up to this, I think it's going to hold up fairly well. But as you can see, it's doing a great job. And again, the big thing is keeping it out of those door tracks on the bottom, which is definitely helping, especially compared to no mud flaps at all. So overall, I am quite impressed with the results. I'm impressed with the price point. They can be found on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I'm not promoting Amazon, but that's where I purchased them. They were at a good price, especially compared to the competition. The fit and finish is A+. The materials that they've used, they seem flexible enough that they're not going to break in the low temperatures. Like I said, it's -10 Celsius right now. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. It's probably around 5 degrees Fahrenheit if I had to guess. But yeah, it definitely has held up so far. No issues there. Definitely an improvement over what I had before. I found that it's also not throwing up as much dirt and debris onto the back window because of these rear guards. So that's a bonus too, because of that small windshield wiper. It sometimes gets dirty pretty quick on that window, and that's going to be a video for the future, so stay tuned. We're going to show you the difference between the stock wiper compared to multiple other sizes and how good things can actually be with an upgraded windshield wiper. But overall, these mud flaps have done very, very well. I would highly recommend them to anybody. For the price, you really don't have a whole lot to lose, but so far we're about 2 months in now and no issues. Only good things to say about it. So if you guys and girls are interested in mach-e type material, we're adding stuff like this constantly. This is the place for mach-e troubleshooting, mach-e reviews, any kind of information that's mach-e related and even EV related. This is the place. Also, if you're looking at, you know, car maintenance, house maintenance, property maintenance, this might be the place for you. We might not have the flashiest content or a bunch of cool cutaways or stuff like that. We might toss in a few jokes here and there, but really I feel like the information is more important than the flashiness and the polish of the video, I guess you would say. Information is crucial, because I firmly believe, and actually I know, that most people are capable of more than they even know. With a little bit of information, a tool here or there, you're capable of more than you could even know. And I know that for a fact, and that's what this channel's